Hi, and welcome to the Training Arcade. Today we're going to show you how you can quickly and easily make a copy of one of your training games. You may want to do this if the same training content applies across multiple groups of people, but you wish to keep the analytics separate, or if you'd like to edit some of the content but have the majority of the content of the game be similar. Step 1. Log in to the Training Arcade admin portal. Step 2. On the Games page, search or sort for the game you'd like to copy. Step 3. Click Edit Game on the side menu and then Copy Game on the upper right corner. Note, your game must be completely finished and saved before making a copy. If an error message appears, please go back into your original game and fill in the missing fields. You'll now notice the new game title is the title of your original game with the word copy added to the end. You'll also notice the same thing with the new game URL. The new copied game can remain with the word copy in the title and the URL, or you can change both of these, the game title and the game URL, to anything you wish. Simply rename the game title, delete the end of the game URL, click back into your game title, and then click back into the URL field, and you'll see the new name is now copied into the URL so that they match. Now when you go back into your games list, you'll see the original game as well as your new copy with either the word copy at the end of the game or an entirely new game name. For more information on other tips and tricks, visit thetrainingarcade.com.